Ames Corner. My name is Nanama Ekuma. Today I'm going to show you one of Indians' favorite dessert called Mango Mousse. It's one of my favorites as well. Without wasting much time, I'm going to go through with you quickly with our ingredients that we're going to use for our Mango Mousse today. So over here I got my heavy cream, my icing sugar, lime, mixed peanut, gelatin, and my fresh mangoes. So before I start, I'm going to use only 2 mangoes today. So I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces by peeling off the skin. Yep. So I'm going to take the skin off. Can put it in the blender. So at this point I'm going to squeeze the juice from this lime and add it to my mango. It has to be 1 tablespoon. So this is my 1 tablespoon. I'm going to squeeze it. So roughly you have to use a whole of 1 full lime to get your 1 tablespoon. So that's my 1 tablespoon of lime juice. It goes straight into my mango. This is my icing sugar. It's ½ cup. I'm going to add it to the lime juice and the mango. So just going to do it gradually. There we go. This is my blended mango icing sugar, so it goes into my bowl. So at this point, I'm going to mix my gelatin with hot water. So I'm going to measure 1 tablespoon of gelatin and 1/4 cup of hot water. So that's 1 tablespoon. It goes in a separate bowl. You add your hot water to it. Then you mix it up. You mix it up properly. Very well. So this is how it should look like after mixing it with the water. So at this point I'm going to add it with my mango mix. You have to make sure you mix it up properly. Very well. So after mixing it, I'm going to whip my heavy cream to turn it to foam. So I'm going to add 300 ml of my heavy cream. This is 600, so it's going to be half of this. Half goes into my bowl. As you can see, half is gone. So at this point I'm going to whip it to it turns So this is how it should be after whipping your heavy cream. So at this point, I'm going to mix the mango mix with the heavy cream. So I'm going to pour the mixture, the mango mixture, into it. And you mix it properly. You mix it very, very well. So after mixing it, you are going to pour it into your cup and put it in the fridge for 1 hour for it to sit. So I'm going to pour them into my glass cup. So guys, at this point my mango mousse is ready. It's going straight into the fridge for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I'm going to garnish it with my mixed peanut and some fresh mango. So at this point I'm going to grind a little bit of my peanut, mixed peanut. I've taken the bigger ones out, so I'm going to grind just a little bit. So it goes in and gradually. Yeah, so this is how I want it to be. Perfect. So guys, it's been 1 hour now. We are going to check in the fridge to take off our mango dessert. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. This is a very easy and very quick dessert. The first day that I had it, oh my god, it was I loved it. I hope you try this at home and you never regret it. Thank you for always watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. I'll see you the same time next week. Bye.